How to create a customer outreach strategy based on data and market analysis. In today's highly competitive business environment, customer outreach strategies based on data and market analysis are essential for reaching and engaging customers effectively. By leveraging data and insights from market analysis, businesses can develop customer outreach strategies that are more targeted, personalized, and effective. In this article, we will explore some ways to create a custom insights from market analysis. Businesses can develop customer outreach strategies that are more targeted, personalized, and effective. In this article, we will explore some ways to create a custom outreach strategy based on data and market analysis. Identify your target audience. The first step in creating a customer outreach strategy based on data and market analysis is to identify your target audience. This involves analyzing customer data and market trends to understand characteristics of your ideal customer. Characteristics of your ideal customer. Customer data can include demographic information, purchase history, and online behavior. Market trends can include consumer preferences, industry trends, and competitor analysis. By identifying your target audience, you can develop a more targeted and personalized outreach strategy that is more likely to resonate with your ideal customer. Develop a customer persona. Once you have identified your target audience, you can develop a customer persona. A customer persona is a fictional representation of your ideal customer that includes information such as their age, gender, occupation, interests, and behavior. Gender, occupation, interests, and behavior. Developing a customer persona can help you understand your customer's needs, preferences, and pain points. This can help you develop a more personalized and effective outreach strategy that is tailored to their specific needs and preferences. To their specific needs and preferences. Choose the right communication channels. Choosing the right communication channels is essential for reaching your customers effectively. Different customers may prefer different communication channels, such as email, social media, or direct mail. To determine the right communication channels for your customer outreach strategy, you should consider factors such as your target audience, their behavior, and the type of message you want to convey. You should also track the performance of your communication channels and adjust your strategy as needed to optimize results. You should also track the performance of your communication channels and adjust your strategy as needed to optimize results. Develop a content strategy. Developing a content strategy is essential for creating a customer outreach strategy that is engaging and informative. Your content strategy should include a mix of content types, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Videos, infographics, and social media posts. To develop a content strategy that resonates with your target audience, you should consider their interests, pain points, and preferences. You should also track the performance of your content and ad